Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and today I'm going to share with you 5 ways to hack the Facebook algorithm and get more eyeballs on your posts. Hello, my name is Jennifer Tarango, and I help the underdog in business unlock and manifest the fighting spirit by unapologetically showing up as you. I will be here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. So if you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that right now so you never miss a training. Okay, guys, let's dive in. So today we're going to talk about 5 ways you can hack the Facebook algorithm to get more eyeballs on your post. Because let's face it, when we post something on social media, we want as many people seeing our posts as we possibly can. So hack number 1 is to be consistent, okay? So if you're only posting once a week, then you're not going to get a lot of eyeballs on your content because you're not going to be building a following. So you want to have a posting schedule that you follow so that your audience knows when to expect you, and the Facebook algorithm will reward you because you're being consistent and keeping people on the Facebook platform. The second thing you can do to hack the Facebook algorithm and get more people seeing your post is to 5 to 10 minutes before you post, engage in other people's content. So you want to go to other people's, scroll through your wall and scroll through your feed and like and comment on other people's posts, and then go in the stories and spend a few minutes liking and commenting in the stories. And that's going to boost the algorithm so that Facebook is going to show your content to more people. The third hack to get more comments on your post is to go back and comment on every comment that someone leaves on your post. Now, the cool trick to this is if you get a couple of comments, you're going to go comment on them, but just comment on a few at a time so that each time you go back and comment on the comments, it's going to boost that post again so more people are seeing it. And if you can, start conversations in the comments of your post. So you can respond to their comment and then ask them a question so that then they respond back. So now you're having a conversation in the comment of your post, and that's going to boost the algorithm even more, and more people are going to see that content. Another hack to get more eyeballs on your post is to not use a link in the caption of your post. If you'd like to share a link, you don't want to put it in the caption of your Facebook post. Facebook doesn't want you taking people off of Facebook. So if it's a Facebook group, that's fine. But if it's not something that's keeping them on Facebook, then you either want to put it in the comments, or even better, you want to have a link tree or a smart bio in your bio so that you can direct people to click the link in your bio and then find the link there. So that's how you want to get around needing to put a link in the caption, because Facebook's not going to show that to as many people because they don't want people leaving the Facebook platform. And the fifth thing you need to do to get more people seeing your content is to make sure that you are providing valuable content for your target audience. Whoever your target audience is, you want to create content that's going to be educational for them, entertain them, inspire them, engage them. So you want to think about that whenever you're coming up with your content. So not only do you need to post consistently, but you also need to post things that are valuable, that are going to make people want to engage with your content. And a little hack with that is to use a call to action. So tell people how you want them to engage with your content. So a call to action could be drop a heart in the comments if you agree, or tell me how your day's going with a gift, or something where you're telling them what to do. Like, comment, and share. So the more people engage with your content, the more people Facebook is going to show it to you. So by telling people a simple way for them to engage with your content is going to boost your algorithm and make Facebook show your post to more people. So those are 5 hacks that you can use right away to get more people seeing your content on Facebook. So tell me in the comments, because I'd really love to know, on a scale from 1 to 5, do you feel like you get a lot of engagement on your posts on Facebook, or do you feel like you really struggle 1 being struggle and 5 being you feel like you have really good engagement and a lot of eyeballs on your posts. Tell me where you're at when you post on Facebook, what you think your engagement rate is at. I would love to know. And also, if you do struggle with what to post on Facebook, I have a free cheat sheet. I'll link it in the show notes. It's 20 posts to build community in your Facebook group, but a lot of the ideas could totally be used on your Facebook profile. So it would be a great cheat sheet to have by your side when you're thinking of content to be posting on your social media platforms. Okay, guys, I hope this was super helpful. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button yet, make sure you do that right now, because I will be back here every Thursday giving you more tips and tricks on how to grow your online or network marketing business through social media. If you found value in this video, make sure you like, share, and comment, and I will be back here next Thursday. Okay, guys, see you then. Bye.